This is the kids. This is what they wanted for Christmas. A house. It's so funny. There's all of us on the bottom level. That's what they want for Christmas. So, we gotta let it sit.
We're not going yet. It's only 12 something.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. I was supposed to start Vlogmas. Put your belts on. I was supposed to start Vlogmas. Babe, this is my husband's cup, and he's Mrs. But this is his cup. I don't know why he's Mrs. But I was supposed to start Vlogmas, but I never did. You gotta forgive me because I have 5 kids, right? Okay. I'm excused because I have 5 kids. So welcome to my Vlogmas. This is the first day of my Vlogmas, and yeah, welcome. There's not much fun going on here because I won't be doing any Christmas shopping. Won't be getting any gifts for anyone, you know, just 1 gift per child, and I doubt that he's getting any gift. Their big gift is coming, and yeah, that's exciting in itself, and that's a lot of money coming out of our pockets, so I don't have any extra to be putting anywhere. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Apart from that, nothing else is gonna be included in our Vlogmas. I'm gonna probably try to see if we can do, you know, really good for them for Christmas, where it doesn't seem like they're gonna have a dry Christmas. But I can't promise that because I don't want to spend. I don't want to spend no money. Like seriously, I don't. I'm so to the point where I'm just like no spending, and we've been doing good on that, right, honey?
Yeah.
We've been doing good on the no spending part. So welcome to Vlogmas, people! Yay! I put up the tree. I'm going to do a house tour because I'm done with the Ray-Dun situation. I got all my pieces that I wanted for Christmas. Yeah, and then we're gonna spend Christmas at his parents' house. Christmas Eve, because they do Christmas a bit different. So we're gonna spend Christmas there and then come back here. We could do a yard sale. We'll get a lot of money for that because we have a lot of stuff. We do have a lot of stuff. But I can't be bothered with that process either because
take all that stuff to the flea market when we go.
Exactly.
See what we can do.
Yeah.
We can do that.
So that's the plan. We're on our way to Walmart because his cousin has a son, and his birthday was it today or yesterday? His birthday is today or yesterday or Friday. We don't know, but the party is today. So we are on our way to go get a birthday gift. Hopefully we can stay under $10 because we're not cheap. We've gotten to the point where we don't want to spend any money. So we're going to Walmart to go get that, and we need some stuff for the house. So since we're going that way, we'll just get everything for the house there. You know what I mean? So I'll see you guys once we get to Walmart. And you know me at Walmart. Oh, and then it's late too. So I'll see you guys once we get there. Jill, get off.
It's gonna have to be. It's $3.98.
This is $3.98?
Yeah. Harris Teeter's $2.39.
But we're not going to Harris Teeter, honey. So.
Hi, y'all.
Walmart was so packed that I couldn't even record in there. I am not a fan of Walmart. Like, that thing was so packed. Like, you couldn't even turn if you wanted to. But we went in there. Our budget was to be under 30. And we spent $49. We spent $49. But that's because we got stuff off the list that we needed, that we didn't realize that we needed until we were there. Because we needed eggs, bleach, and bath bathroom cleaner, and I didn't realize we needed those. And then we got toilet paper, and my husband thought the toilet paper was $5, $4. It was actually double that, so we paid $8, so that kind of pushed us over. But I'm gonna go back to the house. And what time is it? I don't even know what time it is.
Daddy.
Get ready to go to this birthday party and edit some footage so I can have something to go up for either today or tomorrow. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Ugh, weird people. I'm telling you, weird. They're like all in your business trying to figure out what you're doing. And I'm pretty sure they're looking at us like, why is that lady holding a camera in her face? Look, look, look. Look.
I like that car.
I'm pretty sure it said one way. Hi, Aliyah. You ready? Should I just get up from my nap, guys? Ready? Alright. Come on. Say hi, guys. Say hi.
The thing is, there's 3 noodles that are loose.
Alright, ready?
You'll see it.
Come on. Oh. So I just had a big nap. What are you doing? What are you doing, Aliyah?
Huh?
No, let go. Let go. Could you let go? Let go. Let go. And I will get you out. Relax. I will get you out. Here you go. Oh, that's a girl. Okay.
What else did I tell you?
Kind of torn about this piece, but I eventually ended up getting it, so it's here. Where you going? Home from the birthday party. I had to go to Michael's because they have some amazing sale going on, and one of them is this projection light. It's a Christmas projection light, and this was originally $44.99, and they had all their lights, projection lights, $10. Could you not do that? Don't do that. So they had all their projection lights, $10, and then you had an additional 20% off your purchase. So I ended up paying, and then the guy scanned the 40% off, so I got this for $636. So I'm about to set this up and see how it works. Maddie, get out the projector. All right. Anyways, I think this is it for today. I didn't do much. I didn't do much at all today, but it was still a productive day, and we did good in the spending department, so can't complain. Can we not whine? First of all, you need to get up and pick up your shoe from there and all of your stuff off the floor.
Look what I got.
She won this at Dave and Buster.
I didn't win it.
Well, a kid won it and didn't want it. Well, he forgot it, and she got it. More trash in my house.
Do it.
Because that's just more trash.
No,
You can barely keep your room clean.
that's here.
Did you finish cleaning it? No? When are you going to finish cleaning your room?
Probably today and tomorrow.
Today and tomorrow?
I'm going to take a few weeks.
Daddy's getting ready to do. I went to Harris Teeter and I got Halo tops. They were on sale 2 for $9. That's a bit pricey, but still, they're like $5.49 a piece. So you save 99 cents.
Did you say 3?
No.
3 of this?
No, I only got 1 of that.
I know. Did you say 3 of the lights?
No, I only got 1 light.
No, 3 of the different lights.
Oh, you mean the mode?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there's 3 modes on here. This is what he's talking about. So you have the red, the green, and then the multi. Yeah. Like our tree. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for hanging out with us. And I will see you guys tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye, guys.